Continuing its legacy of innovation and performance, Opel unveils the latest addition to its lineup, the Opel Astra Hybrid. As part of Stellantis' commitment to sustainable mobility, the new Astra Hybrid combines dynamic performance with eco-friendly technology, offering drivers a compelling choice in the compact car segment. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the Opel Astra Hybrid introduces a mild hybrid powertrain to complement its existing gasoline, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric options. Both the hatchback and estate, sports tourer, variants of the Astra feature the acclaimed turbocharged 1.2-liter engine, now enhanced with a 48-volt system aimed at reducing CO2 emissions and fuel consumption. The integration of mild hybrid technology marks a significant milestone for the Astra lineup, with Opel boasting a 14% reduction in CO2 emissions and fuel consumption compared to the non-electrified 1.2 turbo variant with the 8-speed automatic transmission. The combustion engine delivers an impressive 134 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, complemented by an electric motor integrated into the 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, generating an additional 28 horsepower and 55 Nm of torque. Opel's innovative approach extends to the design and performance of the Astra Hybrid, with the mild hybrid system capable of operating in purely electric mode for up to 50% of the time in urban areas. As a result, the Astra Hybrid achieves impressive CO2 emissions figures of 113 g/100 km for the hatchback and 115 g/100 km for the sports tourer in the WLTP mixed cycle, accompanied by reduced fuel consumption rates of 5 lt/100 km, 47 miles per gallon, and 5.1 lt/100 km, 46 miles per gallon, respectively. In terms of performance, the Opel Astra Hybrid delivers an exhilarating driving experience, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just 9 seconds, with a top speed of 210 km per hour, 130 miles per hour. Visually, the Astra Hybrid maintains the sleek aesthetic of its predecessors, with subtle branding distinguishing it as a pioneering hybrid model. Inside the cabin, drivers are greeted by a 10-inch digital instrument cluster featuring new graphics displaying the energy flow, enhancing the overall driving experience while promoting eco-consciousness. The Opel Astra Hybrid is now available for order across Europe, with prices starting at €36,430, $39,538 in Germany. As consumers increasingly prioritize sustainability and efficiency, the Astra Hybrid represents a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of performance, style, and environmental responsibility in their compact car. Opel's commitment to innovation and sustainability ensures that the Astra Hybrid remains at the forefront of the evolving automotive landscape, setting a new standard for eco-friendly mobility in the compact car segment.